Hello everyone, I am welcoming all of you in my third online class on chapter number 9. The topic of the chapter number 9 is Management Information Systems. In today's class, I am going to discuss about some important major information system. So let's start our today's discussion. Here enterprise applications are specially designed for the sole purpose of promoting the needs and objective of the organization. So this enterprise application, these are very big software and it basically cover entire organization. Whatever the business operation or the organizational operation we are doing inside the organization or business organization, all the tasks will be managed by this information system or simply with this software. So these applications provide business oriented tools supporting electronic commerce, enterprise communication and collaboration, and web based business processes both within a network enterprise and with its customers and business partners. Most commonly used enterprise applications are Enterprise Resource Planning, in short ERP, Customer Relationship Management, in short CRM, Decision Support System, in short DSS, Business Intelligence System, in short BIS, and Supply Chain Management, in short SCM. Now I'm going to discuss about them one by one. First of all, what is Enterprise Resource Planning, or in short ERP? Enterprise Resource Planning, often called ERP, ERP system or ERP software. You can call it in different name, by different name, ERP, ERP system or ERP software. Can be defined as a system that helps organizations manage their financial, supply chain, manufacturing, operation, reporting and human resources. As already mentioned, these softwares are very big software and it will cover the entire organization. It will manage all the business operations. It will make all the business operation automated, right? And as well as inside this ERP system, we have some strong algorithm, strong business tools through which tools we can generate number of report. Okay, those report will give us useful, meaningful information, and on the basis of those information, as a manager, we can take, we can make, we can give timely, accurate decision for the growth of the organization. Most ERP systems can be deployed on premise or in the cloud to improve and automate the core parts of our business. So on the premise and on the cloud, we can deploy it on the premise or we can deploy it on the cloud. So what does it mean on the premise? That means that information system, that ERP system will be accessible only inside the organization. In the cloud means outside the organization you can access that information system. Outside that organization means from anywhere you can access that information system. Think about our IBT automation system. Our IBT automation system we can access inside the organization, inside the university, not outside the university. So that's why we can say that this information system or IBT automation system deployed on premise, not in the cloud. Okay, right. And think about any other information system, okay, which you deploy in the cloud. You can access that information system from outside the organization as well, right? So this is your ERP system, okay, ERP software. Our next information system is Customer Relationship Management System, or in short CRM. So from the name you can easily understand that we are using this information system to maintain a very good relationship in between customer and the seller. Okay, right. So firms use customer relationship management system to maintain the relationships with their customers. CRM system provide information to coordinate of all the business processes that deal with customers in sales, in marketing, and in service to optimize revenue, customer satisfaction, and customer retention. That means whatever the task we have inside the business organization, which tasks are involved with the customer, okay, associate with the customer, on those sector we basically manage by this customer relationship management system. So what will be the benefit? Our benefit will be like we will be able to identify who are the profitable customer, okay, who purchase more product to us. Okay, we can offer them some service, some different service. Okay, so we can give them some discount in our product. Okay, so in this way we will be able to retain the profitable customer. And like we can take feedback from our customer through this information system, and according to their feedback we can improve, we can change, we can modify our service to satisfy our customer. Okay, so if we able to retain the customer, then it will increase the number of sale, ultimately it will increase the profit of the organization. This information helps firms identify, attract, and retain the most profitable customers, provide better service to existing customer, and increase sale. So in this way this CRM system can help the business organization. Our next information system is decision support system, or in short DSS. Okay. So these decision support systems are interactive software based system intended to help managers in decision making by accessing large volume of information generated from various related information system involved in organizational business process like office automation system, transaction processing system, etc. So what they will do, this information system, it will collect data from different sources like office automation system, TPS or transaction processing system, or POS, point of sale. From different sources it will collect organizational data, and it will store those data inside the database. It will manipulate those data, and it will find out meaningful, currently useful, timely, accurate information. On the basis of those information, management, they will be able to take or make or give right or proper decision. DSS uses the summary information, exception, patterns, and trends using the analytical model. That means inside this DSS we have number of algorithm, number of tools given. By using these tools we can generate a report. Okay, when we are generating the report, we are basically generating some information. Okay, we are basically trying to find out some pattern. Okay, right. So decision support system helps in decision making but does not always give a decision itself. So DSS, it will not give you any decision. What it will do, it will help you to make the decision. It will provide you information. On the basis of those information, and by using your personal experience, you can take your decision as manager. The decision makers compile useful information from raw data, documents, personal knowledge, and or business models to identify and solve problem and make decision. Okay, right. So this is your DSS, decision support system. Our next information system is business intelligence. So you can say this is the very hot topic nowadays. We are basically talking about this BI or business intelligence. Okay, many of us basically working with this BI to how we can improve this the working procedure or the efficiency of this business intelligence. We are working on it. So what is business intelligence? Business intelligence system is a contemporary term. Okay, very recent term, very hot topic. Okay, hot cake you can say, for data and software tools for organizing, analyzing, and providing access to data to help managers and other enterprise users make more informed decision. Okay, right? So what it is doing, it is basically gathering a huge volume of data inside it. Okay, basically inside this business intelligence we have data warehouse. Now what is data warehouse? Data warehouse, it is a very big database which can store companies or organizational historical data. Historical data means previous 5 years data, previous 10 years data, previous 50 years data. Okay, after analyzing this data through data mining, what it can do, it can find out some pattern, it can find out some more structured information. Okay, this one is I mean more refining version of this BI, basically more refining version of DSS. Okay, more updated version of DSS. Okay, and inside this BI we have number of strong algorithm, number of analytical tools we have. Okay, through this analytical tool we can do data mining, we can find out accurate, correctly, timely decision. Okay, not decision, information. On the basis of those information we can make more structured decision. The goal of BIS is to allow for the easy interpretation of those large volume of data, identifying new opportunities and implementing an effective strategy based on insight can provide business with a competitive market advantage and long-term stability. So that means if you have BI, business intelligence, then it will help you to analyze a huge amount of data and find information. On the basis of those information you will be able to take right or proper decision. Now next information system is supply chain management, or in short SCM. So supply chain management systems help to manage relationship with their supplier. In the supply chain we have our raw material provider, we have our manufacturer, the factory, okay, wholesaler, retailer, then we have our customer, isn't it? Okay, right. So and they are the part of the business. And what is the main, what is the main objective of the business, main goal of the business? Main goal of the business is maximize the profit. So if all the parts are not working properly, all the stakeholder, if they are not working properly, then you will not be able to achieve your business goal. Okay, you will not be able to maximize your profit. That's why you need this supply chain management system. Through this supply chain management system you can take all of your stakeholder of your business in a same platform, right? So these systems help supplier, purchasing firms, distributors and logistics companies to share information about orders, production, inventory level and delivery of products and service, so that they can source, produce and deliver goods and service efficiently. Okay, as I already mentioned, with the help of this SCM you will be able to keep all of your stakeholder in the same platform. You will be able to transfer your data or information about the order, about the production, about the inventory level, about the delivery. Okay, easily you can transfer this information to your stakeholders. Okay, it will take less time, it will take less cost. The ultimate objective is to get the right amount of their products from their source to their points of consumption in the least amount of time and at the lowest cost, right? Okay, so suppose if you do not have this supply chain management system in your organization, there might be a chance for overproduction or under production. Okay, without knowing the customer demand, if you without analyzing the customer demand, if you produce your product, there might be a very good possibility for overproduction or under production. Suppose another point you can add here, like if all the stakeholder, if they are not in the same level, there might be out of stock problem. Okay, in the end of your supply chain part. Okay, retailer, they do not have sufficient product, but in the market, customer, they have product demand. Customer, they're coming to the store but they're not getting the product. What will happen? There will be out of stock problem. Okay, right. So your customer, they will go another organization, another business organization. That means they will go your competitor to fulfill their demand. One point, you are losing your customer. Second point, you are giving customer to your rival company. your competitor. Okay, right. So these systems increase firms' profitability by lowering the cost of moving and making products and by enabling managers to make better decisions about how to organize and schedule uh, sourcing, production, and distribution. Okay, right. So this is the importance of supply chain management system. Okay, so that's all about this lecture. At the end we have some exercises, so you can practice this exercise at your home. In the exercise we have these questions like what is MIS, or define MIS, write down the main purpose of MIS. The second question is why we need enterprise resource planning, or in short ERP. What is the necessity of ERP? Third question, how do customer relationship management system help firms to achieve customer intimacy? Okay, that means by using customer relationship management system, how we can increase our intimacy with our customer, relationship with our customer. Fourth question is what are the characteristics of business intelligence system? Okay, the main point or the main characteristics of the business intelligence system. Then what are the objective of supply chain management system? What is the main objective of SCM? Differentiate between data and information. Differentiate in between data and information. Why information systems so important in business today? I already mentioned 6 objectives. To achieve those 6 objectives, we are using information system in business. What are main components of an information system? Okay, again I mentioned 6 main components. If you remember in my previous lectures, okay, you can go through my previous lectures. What is decision support system? That means you can say write shortcut on DSS, decision support system. And the last question is define IS and IT, or distinguish in between IS and IT. So these are the exercises you have here. You can practice at your home. So now I would like to recommend to follow all of my video on this chapter number 9, management information system. Then practice this exercise at your home. So that's all about today's lecture. Thank you everyone.